Hey there! Frustrated with slow internet or constant dropouts? No worries, because today we're diving into how to fix a bad connection on TP-Link routers. Whether your video calls are choppy or your downloads are at a snail's pace, we have effective solutions to get you back up to speed with your TP-Link device. Step 1. Check your physical connection. Start with the basics. Inspect all cables to ensure they're connected securely. A loose or damaged Ethernet cable can be the culprit behind connectivity issues. Double check that the cables connecting your router to the modem and any wire devices are snug and undamaged. Step 2. Restart your router. This classic troubleshooting step works wonders. Power off your TP-Link router by unplugging it from the electrical outlet. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple reset can often resolve temporary glitches and improve connection stability. Step 3. Update your firmware. Outdated firmware can cause performance issues. To update, type your router's IP address into a web browser, usually something like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in with your credentials. Navigate to the firmware update section and download the latest version available for your model. Follow the prompts to complete the update. This can enhance your router's functionality and address bugs. Step 4. Change wireless channel. Interference from neighboring networks might be affecting performance. Access your router's settings and switch the wireless channel. Many routers default to channels 1, 6, or 11. Try switching to a less crowded channel. By using Wi-Fi analyzer apps, you can identify the optimal channel with the least congestion. Step 5. Ensure correct placement. Router placement is crucial for strong coverage. Place your TP-Link router in an open central location, away from walls and obstructions like metal objects or appliances. Elevation helps too. Consider placing it on a shelf. The fewer barriers between your router and devices, the better your connection will be. Step 6. Adjust router setting. Tweaking router settings can make a difference. In the router setup page, ensure the wireless mode is set to the latest standard your devices support, such as 802.11ac or 802.11ax for better speed and range. Configuring QoS settings can prioritize bandwidth for critical tasks like video streaming or gaming. Step 7. Secure your network. An open or weakly secured Wi-Fi network can be swamped by unauthorized users. Strengthen your network security by setting a strong, unique password and enabling WPA3 encryption if available. This not only secures your data but helps ensure bandwidth isn't hijacked by unwanted guests. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix a bad connection on TP-Link routers. By following these steps, you can dramatically improve your internet experience, whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing. Remember, regular maintenance and occasional checks keep your TP-Link device running smoothly. So go on, give these tips a try, and enjoy the seamless connectivity that awaits.